So this is the 2-in-1 Craystal Lace wig by Jessie Selection. So you can wet her and wear her wavy, or you can keep her straight like this. Amazing. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm bringing you another wig review from Jessie Selection. For the best wig reviews and relaxed hair content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe, and click it, subscribe, and click it. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on IG at Love Sharon Pratt. That's L-U-V Sharon Pratt for more beauty, fashion, and lifestyle inspiration. So before we get into this video, I have to give a huge thank you to Jessie Selection for sponsoring this video. I have reviewed several videos for Jessie Selection, so if you're interested, make sure you go ahead and check them out. Also, I'll have the direct link to this unit as well as all the details of this unit down in the description box below. Definitely use my discount code. It's LUV12, L-U-V12 for 12% off. Okay, lovies, so I have the wig right here. So the wig comes in this shopping bag that says Jessie Selection, and inside the shopping bag is the box that the wig comes in. So let's do a quick unboxing. We have the wig itself, lashes, a wig cap, and it comes with a thank you card and instructions on how to care for your unit. So here's the wig right here. Ooh, look at that. Look at her. She is very thick, very full. It's a blunt cut and I like it. Okay, so now let's get into the construction of the wig. It comes with 3 combs, one on each side, one on the back. It also has a band that is already installed for you to keep your wig nice and snug and secure. It also has adjustable straps so you can adjust the fit of your wig. So let's get a close-up on this lace. So let's compare the Craystal Lace and the transparent lace. You can definitely see the transparent lace. It's a lot lighter than my skin tone. It's a more thicker lace, as well as there are bigger holes that you can see. The Craystal Lace is a lot thinner. The color is closer to my skin tone, so it's a more brown, neutral, warm color. The holes in the lace are a lot smaller, which allows for the lace to blend in easily with my skin. I got the wig scissors. Now let's cut this lace off. And now let's put her on. Dang. So this is what she looks like straight out of the box. So I'm excited to get this unit together. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So we are all set. This is her straight. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of bobs. I like a lot of hair. The more hair, the merrier. But to be honest, I am loving this bob on me. I think this is a great length bob. And then the cut. The cut is really good. It's nice and blunt, thick and full, and I'm just really loving the cut. And not to mention, this is a glueless wig as well. So watch, check this out. Glueless. So now let's get her wavy. And it's so easy to get this unit wavy. All you need is some water. And today I'm using a spray bottle. So let's wet her up. Okay, so I know you guys see the wave. I know I see the wave. All you need is water, and then you will have a beautiful, gorgeous, loose waves. Okay, so I have one side done. It's nice and wet and wavy. So yeah, what do we think? What are you guys thinking? I love the fact that I could just spray water and get another style. I can get wavy hair. Let's go ahead and wet the other side. And the good thing is you can always go back to straight. So all you need is to blow dry and flat iron your unit. And then when you want it wavy, you just wet it. So the unit will revert back. So this is a unit wavy. What are we thinking? I mean, look at these waves. We are waving, looking like an ocean. That is so corny. But anyways, so when it comes to a wet and wavy, a 2-in-1 unit, honestly, my favorite is wavy. I just love the wavy look. I just like volume, curls. So the wavy, I'm loving it, but I also love the straight as well. So I mean, what do you guys think? She looks so good, and I'm so excited to have this unit for the summer. Let's go more into detail with this review. The first thing I noticed about the wig is that the wig does have a smell. Now, that's the one thing I really wish would be improved, and that's the one thing I truly do not like about wigs. I didn't wash this unit, but I know if I went ahead and washed the unit with a little shampoo or just conditioner, that the smell would be better. And that's always what I recommend, is to go ahead and wash your units, co-wash your units, because just for hygiene purposes, you want it to be clean, and also you want it to smell good. So with shedding, I didn't notice a lot of shedding, so that is good, and that's an improvement. I didn't see a lot of random hairs everywhere, so the shedding is minimal. Tangles, didn't get any tangles. This wig is straight out of the box. You are not gonna see any tangles, so no tangles as of yet. But I do have this unit in a longer length, and I've worn that unit a couple of times, but I haven't got any knots or tangles or anything with that unit. So so this unit is in 14 inches and it is 180% density, so she is very thick. This 14 inch is great. It's perfect for the summer. It's great for the heat. So I did notice short pieces at the top of the unit. It looks like the wig has breakage, which is why you guys saw me use the wax stick. But that's another thing. I do not like short pieces. So for this same exact unit, this 2-in-1 wet and wavy unit, 5x5 closure, 14 inches, 180% density with crystal lace, this gorgeous bob unit is $159. Use my code LOVE12 for 12% off your entire order, so that'll help you save some coins as well. But $150, I'm not mad at it. This is a pretty good price. I think it's very reasonable for this unit. The density, the length, is a 2-in-1 wig and it feels amazing. It has crystal lace. The lace was easy to blend, and you don't have to glue this unit down. You can wear it as a glueless wig. So yeah, I love it. Those are my thoughts on this gorgeous wet and wavy bob unit by Jessie Selection. So once again, I want to give a huge thank you to Jessie Selection for sponsoring this video. Also, don't forget to check them out and to check out this unit. I'll have the direct link down in the description box below. Comment down below and let me know, what are your thoughts on this unit? Are you loving this unit as much as I do? Do you love this unit straight or do you love this unit curly? Also, how about the length? Are you loving this kind of long bob? Do you think short hair or long hair is better for summer? Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Come on, guys.